Are you a speech therapist conducting therapy online? Are you always looking for ways to make online therapy more impactful for your clients? We believe we have something just for you. Introducing TeleBASICS, a dynamic online platform designed by therapists for therapists. With TeleBASICS, you can enhance the efficacy of your therapy sessions while saving valuable time that you would otherwise spend searching for or creating resources. TeleBASICS is equipped with a wide range of games, activities, and learning resources tailored to support a multitude of speech, language, and communication needs. Every therapist on TeleBASICS receives a personalized platform link. Share this link with your clients to conduct seamless, secure, and private sessions directly tailored to each client's needs. Dive into our comprehensive resource library specifically designed for a broad spectrum of speech therapy goals. From teaching first words to building complex sentences, handling WH questions, initiating conversations, and using social stories, TeleBASICS offers a plethora of resources for enhancing social communication. Watch these tools come to life in therapy sessions and see how they can transform your practice. There's more. TeleBASICS includes positive reinforcement tools to better engage your clients. Visual schedules to plan your therapy sessions effectively, goal assignment features, and follow-ups to monitor progress. Try TeleBASICS for free with our 500-minute trial and discover how easy and affordable it is to enhance your practice. Continue using our platform at a very affordable rate, focusing more on your clients and less on logistics. Join the community of speech therapists who are transforming their practice with TeleBASICS. Sign up today and elevate your therapy sessions to the next level. TeleBASICS, empowering therapists, transforming lives.